In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use a line of credit in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know how to create the right account in your chart of accounts and how to record activity against it so your books stay accurate and easy to reconcile. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online company. From the left navigation, open the accounting menu and select Chart of Accounts. This is the home base for all your accounts: assets, liabilities, income, and expenses, and it's where we'll add the line of credit. Click the New button to create a new account. For the account type, choose Liabilities. This tells QuickBooks that this account represents money your business owes. For the detail type, pick Line of Credit. That detail type is important because it helps QuickBooks categorize and report this account correctly, and it also makes the name and behavior more intuitive when you record transactions. Next, enter the account name. Keep it clear and consistent, such as line of credit, bank name, especially if you have more than one. You can add a description if it helps you or your accountant understand what this account is used for. If you're starting mid-year or moving from another system, you may have an outstanding balance. In that case, enter the opening balance and the as of date that matches the day you begin tracking this account in QuickBooks. If you're starting fresh with no existing balance, leave the opening balance blank. When in doubt, it's often better to leave it at 0 to avoid duplicating entries later, especially if you plan to bring in bank feed transactions. When everything looks good, click Save to add the account to your chart of accounts. With the account created, you're ready to record transactions related to the line of credit as needed. When you draw funds, you'll typically record money moving from the line of credit into your checking account. When you repay the line, you'll record money moving from checking back to the line of credit. Interest and bank fees should be recorded to appropriate expense categories so they appear properly on your profit and loss. If you use bank feeds, match downloaded transactions to the new line of credit account to keep your reconciliations clean. Adding memos or attachments like statements can make reviews faster later. That's it. You've logged in, created a proper line of credit liability account, saved it, and you know how to record the related activity. If your setup involves complex opening balances or prior period adjustments, consider confirming with your accountant before finalizing.